Yeah. He's a cute boy.
Yeah. Big boy. Wow, that's cool. For our last full day in Ubud, we decided to walk to what we called the Face Temple, but was really called Goa Gajah.
Go past the fitness center and into our fitness path. Walking is my exercise, is all I'm getting at.
You probably can't even tell apart all of the different rice fields we've walked through at this point, but yeah, this is the most magical part, I think, of this trip.
It seems like the most fun way to get around too, whenever this path is the, not this specific path, but whenever a path like this is a way to get from point A to point B.
I do recognize we're weird tourists. I don't think most people would want to walk through like 37-degree humidity, 100%. Yeah, but that's just what we do.
But I mean, if you want to go to the gym and sweat your figurative balls off, why not, you know, get your sweat and steps somewhere else?
Why are they figurative balls? You have balls.
Oh, I wasn't making the presumption that the viewer had or did not have balls.
Oh, okay. Do you think we took a wrong turn? Even though this is skinny, I bet you a scooter will still try to pass us.
That's how I wave.
Yeah, I know. But do you know?
Yeah, fork in the road. I assume we stay on the paved path? The cow has an inquisitive expression. Bless you. Bless you.
I'm hoping we can make it to the end of that and go into a thing.
Yeah, it is about to rain on us.
So this is only 25 minutes until we get to our spot though.
Yeah. But we're thinking stop somewhere before then?
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah. Have a drink or a nibble or
Funky
both.
Monkey House.
Ooh. Yep.
So it started raining on our walking adventure, so we've taken shelter to have a apple drink and some weird spicy sticks. Hopefully it won't rain for too long and we can get back on our adventure. What does he have in his pockets? We've moved slightly further down the street. Probably about, I don't know, 100 meters at the most. Not even 50 meters, maybe 20 meters.
Yeah, a 2-minute walk.
Yeah. And we got ourselves some beer. And we're gonna get some food.
Yeah.
And then maybe we'll go another couple of feet down the road and eat some more stuff. We'll see.
Take it easy. There's the long.
Where's the long? Just soothing rain sounds, you know? Yeah.
So we wait. Cheers, my love. Press along. What is this place? Why is it so awesome? Does it clean things? Is it a movie?
because it's raining, I can't use a bigger camera or zoom it in, but that little itty bitty thing right there is a waterfall. And it's called like Skcript or something. Yeah. Hopefully it stops raining soon. It's been a couple hours.
It's a very scripted waterfall.
We're almost at the place we're going to though.
Cool.
Yeah. Here's a different vantage point of the same waterfall. Off in the distance, very tiny. There it is. It's beautiful though. Maybe on the way back we should go down there and sit and have a beverage. What do you think?
Not a bad idea.
Yeah. It's starting to clear up a little bit. You can't tell. But there's sun in there somewhere. Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, I've nearly wiped out like 10 times.
Strong on, hey? You had to put a strong on?
Yep.
I didn't.
You are well prepared. These rubbery sandals, maybe not the best footwear. Slip and slide.
So it was 100,000 each to get in, but I think because it's pouring rain, it doesn't look that busy. And Jives had to put a sarong on, hey? You had to put a sarong on?
Yep.
I didn't. I got this long skirt. I'm prepared, apparently. But yeah, this is beautiful. Sorry we couldn't use the big camera to show you, but at least in the rain, we'll get less crowds.
Hello.
Welcome to this temple.
So where do we go?
I don't know.
Ooh, I see the camera lens has a smudgy water drop. Better take care of that.
There's going to be a lot of umbrella in this here shot. But that's okay. It's just authentic. Bonkers Bananas Crazy Pants. tree is covered in mushrooms. Mushroom haunting. Cool.
Yeah, really cool.
Lots of waterfalls all over. Lots of carvings left in these rock faces. Looks pretty neat. Wow.
Rocking out over here?
I wish I could hear out of my ears, but I can't.
Can use my ears.
So I wrote this song.
Ooh.
But I can't hear myself singing it, so that's probably why it's shit.
I thought it was brilliant.
I think I belong in some place where nature is the center of everything. I mean, churches are cool, but temples are cooler. Can't we have some like nature-y churches like this?
Yeah. Close I can get. How can I be inches from you?
Flowers, okay?
Yeah. I wonder what they used. It's flowers.
Make it smell? Oh, it smells like flowers. Although it smells to me like lilies, and lilies always remind me of funerals. be alarmed, but there's a little dude over your shoulder. You see him?
Smoke's between his teeth.
Yeah. I have a gap big enough to do that, I think.
There's a t-shirt up here that says 1995.
Huh?
I guess they've been around for a while.